De Venecia family would like to extend our appreciation for coming up with an ordinance in recognition of our former speaker, Joe De Venecia. And of course, rest assured that this is, of course, will be greatly, put into heart of the De Venecia family. As to the request of the good chair as to the details of the life of our former speaker, the ordinance, upon reading, napakaganda po. There are two ordinances. Actually, the one is formally and officially declaring December 26 as the Speaker Joe De Venecia Day, and the other one is the ordinance institutionalizing the annual Speaker De Venecia Leadership and Public Service Commemoration. Actually, the first one is the declaration. Then the other one is the implementation, institutionalization. Po, na, ano ba yung gagawin natin when we have this official declaration? So napakaganda po nito. Actually, we can have this one, pero ang maganda rito, ginawa nating dalawa para maging madali siyang identify. Kaya maganda po itong ginawa po yung ordinances. Siguro ang isa sa observation ko lang po doon sa pangalawa, we have to, although parehong i-approve ito, parehong i-approve pa lang, pending pa lang, siguro we have to put into the second ordinances yung section na parang ang ibig niya sabihin is in relation to the ordinance, the first ordinance. Siguro
Reference.
Okay. Halimbawa, itong ordinance sa title po kasi, pwede nating ilagay dito sa ordinance number 2 in relation to this ordinance.
Yes.
Number blank, blank, blank. Oo, ganun. Para hindi ma-confuse yung mga tao. And they will look at it magkasama pala to.